We are offering you Qualcert Level 1 Diploma in Electrical Technology. This foundational course is designed for individuals seeking to embark on a rewarding career in the electrical field. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your existing skills, this diploma will equip you with the essential knowledge and practical abilities necessary to succeed. By the end of this diploma, you will have a solid grounding in electrical technology, setting the stage for further study or entry into the workforce as a skilled technician. Mandatory units of this qualification are understanding of electrical principles, adherence to electrical safety practices, proficiency in basic electrical circuits, competence in using tools and equipment, skills in wiring installation and maintenance. This course is ideal for school leavers, career changers, adult learners, electrical apprentices, technicians, international students. What is the duration of this course? The duration of the Qualcert Level 1 Diploma in Electrical Technology typically ranges from 6 months to 1 year. All Qualcert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest Qualcert approved center. Visit our website at www.qualcerts.co.uk for more qualifications and information.